Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, I did receive the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge, so which I did order for about 24,999 rupees. So finally friends is unboxing of the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. Yes friends, this is a phone which I'm waiting for a very long time. The main reason is because of this fast charging capabilities 120 watts. That's the reason why I did order this device. So in case if I'm not a tech reviewer, definitely I would go for the Xiaomi 11i because of more battery backup. But as a tech reviewer, I need to use this 120 watt fast charging, and to check this kind of capabilities, that's the main reason why I did order HyperCharge instead of normal phone. If you want better battery backup, you can definitely choose the normal device Xiaomi 11i with a better battery backup of 5000 mAh of battery capacity. And this is the first time I got delivered within 1 day of ordering the device. Just yesterday only I did order the device, and today I got it delivered friends. That's really shocking for me because I'm not in the Hyderabad or any kind of metropolitan city. It's normal town only, but was able to get very fast delivered by the Flipkart. And right now, today and tomorrow, I'll be using continuously this Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge, and I'll be able to make a lot of in-depth videos and a lot of comparison videos with other smartphones. And this is a retail box unit unboxing of the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. Wow, this is a complete Flipkart retail unit, and we do have the warranty, invoice inside. And this is a Flipkart retail unit box friends, as you can clearly see here. This is how it looks, the box HyperCharge Xiaomi. And one more quick note friends, I don't get any kind of review units because of my in-depth testing and extreme kind of testing, where I'll be pointing out all the disadvantages and advantages as well. That's the reason I don't get any kind of review units at this moment, unfortunately. So that's the reason I thought of asking you guys for the support. In case if my videos are really helpful for you, please try to donate some amount to my UPI ID, which is given here, SciTech Guru to use at the rate YBL. So this will be really helpful friends to buy more and more of smartphones in the future. As I said, because of me doing this kind of extreme testing, that's the reason companies will not dare to give me any kind of review units. So you should always remember this thing. That's the reason I'm not getting any kind of review units, and I cannot order more and more phones as well. So because of not that sufficient income at this moment. So that's the reason I'm asking for you guys any kind of support to donate some amount. Any kind of small amount should be really helpful friends, and use my Amazon links as well to buy any kind of products from the Amazon website. Use the links in the description and try to donate some amount, and hopefully I'll get support from you guys. Because of this honest reviews and honest videos, companies will not dare to send me the review units. That's the reason, and I cannot keep quiet without talking about them because I'm not like that. That's the reason I'll try to point out all the things. So is a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 11i device. So finally is the phone friends. Wow, which I'm waiting for a very long time, is HyperCharge. And the variant which I ordered is a 8GB RAM variant, 8GB and 128GB variant. And let's see what's inside the box. Let's take out the phone first. So this is the Pacific color which I did order at this moment, as you can see, which looks really fantastic. I don't have this kind of color before. That's the reason main thing I did order this particular color at this moment. And let's keep everything aside. And in the box, what are the things we do have in the box? Let's check out. And we do have the SIM card pin, and we are having the case, not bad, so which is kind of okay type of case. Let me keep the case side. Let's keep everything inside, and in the box we'll be able to see, wow, this is what I'm trying to wait for a really long time. 120 watts fast charging friends. Wow, that's really fantastic. 120 watts. I'm really excited to see how this phone going to perform with this kind of fast charging. As I said, not everyone are interested in the fast charging. If you want battery backup, go for the Xiaomi 11i. But I want to test this fast charging technology. That's the reason I thought of ordering this device, only for my testing and reviews purpose. And it is a 120 watts. And next is a USB cable, which is type C to normal USB cable only we do have in the box. That's it friends, these are the box contents which it did include in this device at this moment. And let me to keep everything side, all the box, and let's do the unboxing of this Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are the videos you want me to upload on this Xiaomi 11i. Wow, the color looks gorgeous friends. I did like this kind of Pacific color, which is really fantastic, and I did like the box type of design as well. That's pretty good. Feels kind of really premium. while holding in the hand. That's what I did like. Wow, that's pretty good. Everything. And we do have the pre-installed screen protector right now. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it or not. Yes, there is pre-installed screen protector. You will be able to see near the front cam side. There is screen protector. It's better to order some kind of tempered glass as well right now. So let me try to power it on, friends. Let's see is there any kind of juice inside left or not. If there is no juice as well, definitely I will try to use 120 watts to charge, and then I'll try to start my journey with iPad charging. And this is my first phone which I did order in the 2022. So wow, starting here with a very fast iPad charging. That's pretty good. So the phone has got the Dimensity 920 processor, friends, and which has got the 120Hz AMOLED display and 108 megapixel camera as well. I need to do a lot of testing for the next few hours. So right now the time, I'll try to start this time as well, because for the next 24 hours or maybe 48 hours, I will try to use this stopwatch as an example, just to show you how long I'm trying to use. So right now the stopwatch has been started, and I'll try to do plenty of testings. For example, carrier aggregation and how is the heating, how is the overall multitasking, RAM management, all the details I'll try to talk in this entire episodes. So make sure to follow my channel regularly for the next 24 hours. In case if you're planning to buy this device, you should know all the details, A to Z details about this device. That's what my channel is about, where I'll try to provide all the details about the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. I wish the phone could have been slightly less weight. The main reason is because the 5000 mAh battery capacity and this 4500 mAh of battery capacity, the both phones are slightly very close regarding the weight. That's kind of really weird, because 500 mAh got decreased, but still we are seeing that kind of slightly more weight in this Xiaomi 11i device. That's the one thing which a lot of just mentioning. And let's check the weight of this phone. It's about 207 grams. 207 grams for the 4500 mAh of battery capacity, and is under 5000 mAh battery capacity. Realme GT Neo 2, 207 grams. So 5000 mAh and 4500 mAh battery capacity, both are having same kind of weight. That's kind of not that great regarding the weight distribution. I do feel Xiaomi could have done better in decreasing the weight, maybe managing below 200 grams. That will be really great deal on the Xiaomi 11i. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick unboxing experience of this Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. And in case if you want more videos, let me know in the comments below what other videos you want me to upload on this smartphone. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. And the price which I ordered for about 24,999. Yes, after using the SBI card, EMI transaction and everything. So 24,999 is the lowest price you can actually get Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.